Do you wanna make that sunfly? Keep on watching. Boom, boom, let's get it. So, if you wanna make this sunfly, you need one origami paper from the long ones, from the 21 and 15 centimeters top. So what you should do is get started from step 1.
I need the answer to all the pain before all the shame comes back again. Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again.
Step 2. Step 3. Step 4.
I need the answer to all the pain before all the shame comes
Step
back again.
5.
Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again.
Step 6. Step 7. Step 8.
I need the answer to all the pain before all the shame comes back again. Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again.
And this is how your sunfly is gonna look like. Let's go! Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't leave us alone without hitting that subscribe button if you wanna see more adventures in the future, and hitting that like button if you liked, enjoyed, and found this video helpful. Boom boom to the next one.
Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again.